Alright. So again, friends, we are on with the last and final set of our raffle. We're in. Yung matatawag natin dito have the chance to bring home a brand new Toyota Red